The first in-camera witness to testify before the Madlang Commission has unveiled damning allegations implicating KwaZulu-Natal Hawks head Major General Lesitja Senona in a web of corruption and collusion with alleged criminal figures. Testifying virtually, Insider painted a picture of a senior police official entangled in questionable dealings with businessman Matlala, a man linked to serious crimes, including attempted murder and corruption. According to Witness X, Major General Sinona has a close and beneficial relationship with an alleged criminal, and you will also see the close relationship that Mr. Matala has with the general's son. Witness X's testimony built on evidence initially presented by the Divisional Commissioner of Crime Intelligence, Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, who fell ill before completing his appearance. Khumalo had promised to hand over WhatsApp chats involving key figures, including Brown Mokhotsi, Sinona, Brigadier Julius Munkwanazi, Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department Chief, Investigator Kelvin Rafati, and businessman Suleiman Karim. These conversations, spanning from December 2024 to May 2025, were presented by Witness X on Khumalo's behalf. Evidence leader Advocate Adila Hasim SC led the testimony, supported by Advocate Tabang Poo. The testimony was divided into three parts, each illustrating how Sinona allegedly used her position to benefit Matlala, shield him from accountability, and share confidential police information. According to evidence before the commission, Sinona facilitated invoice payments for Matlala's company, Media Care 24, and even advised him to challenge the police over the cancellation of a multi-million rand contract. At the center of the first batch of WhatsApp messages were exchanges between Senona, her son Tato, and Matlala. The messages revealed a close personal and financial relationship involving the purchase of a property. In one message, Senona texted Matlala, "I said, 'Good afternoon, brother. Did you meet with Tato?' To which Matlala replied, 'Tomorrow I'm waiting for offer to purchase first.' Further messages showed Matlala requesting Tato's FICA documents to finalize the property deal, which Tato prompted provided, sending over his personal information. Earlier testimony by Khumalo suggested a broader network of collusion between police officials and businessmen. High-ranking SAPS and EMPD officers, including Brigadier Mkwanazi, were accused of leaking sensitive information and protecting individuals facing criminal charges. Businessman Suleiman Karim, who has also mentioned in the chats, allegedly helped Matlala secure payments for police-related services. In one exchange, Matlala asked Mkwanazi to intervene in the case of his driver, who had been arrested for speeding. The Madlang Commission, established by President Cyril Ramaphosa in July 2025, is investigating explosive claims made by KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Ndlela Mkhwanazi. His allegations point to entrenched coalition between senior police officials, politicians, prosecutors, intelligence agents, and elements of the judiciary. At the heart of the inquiry is a controversial letter dated 31 December 2025, which allegedly ordered the disbandment of the elite political killings task team, a move critics say crippled investigations into politically motivated matters in the province. As Witness X's testimony unfolds, the Commission is beginning to expose the deep cracks within South Africa's law enforcement agencies, where friendships, favors, and financial interest appear to have blurred the line between justice and corruption. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.